Product Overview is a feature of SmartHQ Service that offers a high-level consumer-oriented overview of the applicable GE appliance. Product Overview allows the technician to teach the consumer about the capabilities of their appliance. Click Product Overview to view the high-level features of an appliance. The application provides product details and tips to improve operational efficiency of the appliance. It offers a way to showcase and demonstrate the feature set of the appliance. The Specs and Details section provides you information about the appearance, capacity, and features of the product. It also provides other appliance documents such as quick specification, installation instructions, and use and care manuals of the appliance. This feature helps to communicate with the appliance owner about the high-level consumer-oriented product features. It also provides you tips about how to use the product effectively. This ensures that the appliance operates at an optimal level of performance.